Dear students, your next topic is coral reef conservation from the paper 9th. These are two words. You pay your attention. Coral means the marine ecosystem, underground marine ecosystem. And the corals are the polyps, belongs to the class Anthozoa. It includes the polyps and the jellyfish-like organisms. They secrete the calcium carbonate, or you can say they develop or secretes the materials required for exoskeleton. Okay, so corals are the very low categories organisms, and calcium carbonate secreting animals. Reefs are the group of the corals. So now here you can read out it. The coral reefs are the centers of high biological productivity sites of CO2 sink and source of huge deposits of calcium carbonate. They provide many natural raw material for pharmacological importance, including the life-saving drugs, and are diverse and vulnerable ecosystems characterized by a complex interdependence of plants and animals. In Indian Ocean near Madagascar is a very rich coral reef ecosystem zone. Here are a great diversity in the coral species. Recently, 9 species of corals and 3 new species of fishes from this ecosystem have been reported in June 2002. Red blood colored corals are very beautiful marine. Other than they are green, pink, yellow, white in color. So the underground red colored are very beautiful corals. Sea anemones and jellyfishes are its all organisms. In Indian subcontinent, the reefs are distributed along the east and west coast at restricted places. Fringing reefs are found in the Gulf of Mannar and Parkway, as well as Andaman and Nicobar Island. Platform reefs are seen along the Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. Tall reef are found in the Lakshadweep. Below. Coral's outer skeleton is made up of lime, calcium carbonate, which is absorbed and accumulated from the seawater. Corals are generally found in warm and marine water at normal depth. Sunlight is necessary for the corals. Corals are used in decoration and in ornaments manufacturing, as well as in medicines. In ornamentation, red colored corals are very much in commercial demand. On the coral branches, a large number of fish species make their habitat. Corals take nutrition from these fishes of the fishes, waste excreta, you can say, of the fishes, and grow vigorously. Further, a large number of species of algae also grown in symbiosis with the corals. The coral reefs provide food and shelter for many fishes and shellfish species, and they protect the land from the ocean forces, thus very important, and help to keep the islands from being washed away. The living organisms that make up the reefs also have medicinal value that are only now beginnings to be discovered. These include antibiotic compounds in sea require securities, seaweeds and sea sponges, anticoagulants in the sea, snail and anti-cancer compounds in the corals. In Philippines, it is about 27,000 square kilometer area of corals. Fishermen use dynamite near the reefs to swim fish and to break up corals, which is used in jewelry and in the construction trade. Seed coming from terrestrials by the erosion of rivers reach to deposit lagoons. Food web of the corals. Reef community is a true ecological climax as indicated by a dynamic study with regard to energy of ecosystem. Here algae are the producers. Some live as symbionts in the coral, some are encrusting, some are boring, and other live in anemones or dead coral fragments. Algae within the coral are eaten by the stony fish along with coral echinoderms, molluscs, worms, and crustaceans also feed on the algae. The corals are zooplanktons, fridens. Other predators of small animals are starfish, molluscs, and worms. Now the conservation. The traditional use of coral reef is resulting into anthropogenic threats. The following coral reefs areas in the country have been identified for intensive conservation and management. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second is Gulf of Mannar. Third is Gulf of Kutch. Fourth is Lakshadweep Islands. Management action plans, coral reefs submitted by the respective state governments were considered by the ministry and financial assistance extended for the same during the current financial year. Ministry has also launched Indian Coral Reef Monitoring Network so as to cover activities related to monitoring of health of coral reefs, training and capacity building, establishment of database. Network promotes research on identified thrust areas so as to integrate the same with the management of this fragile ecosystem. Research Subcommittee on Coral Reefs received progress of the ongoing research projects and recommended to new projects on the identified thrust areas on coral reefs. Apart from organizing the training program, the ministry has also launched a website of Indian Coral Reef Monitoring Network. Focal points on the east and west coast have been identified by the collation and retrieval of information related to coral reefs in the country. The existing Center of Geological Survey of India at Port Blair has been designated as the National Coral Reef Research Institute. The ministry has also been identified as the national focal point of the International Coral Reef Initiative, Global Coral Reef Monitoring Network, as well as coral reef degradation in India Ocean, CORDIO, India Australia Training and Capacity Building Project on the Coral Reefs with AUSAID has also been launched. Okay. So dear students, this is very important topic. In previous years, the question has been asked from this topic. So you are advised to read out and learn the details of this topic. Okay. Thank you.